If you're showing up online and it feels like people are watching but not really trusting you yet, there's a reason for that. Now, trust doesn't come from being loud. It actually comes from being very clear and consistent over time. This is especially frustrating when you know you're doing good work. You're posting, you're explaining, you're trying to help, but people are still hesitating. And that hesitation doesn't mean that they don't like you. It just means that they don't know you well enough yet. I've seen this so many times while building brands and helping others grow their brands as well. When a brand is new or changing direction, people are going to watch quietly. They're going to, in the background, they're going to be seeing what is happening and what is unfolding. They're not going to rush in. They're going to watch. They're going to listen, and they're going to try to understand what this brand is really about. I felt this myself while building Brand Impact 365. Even while showing up every day, I had to remind myself that trust doesn't happen on day one. It happens through repeated, clear moments over time. People will trust what feels familiar. Familiar doesn't mean boring. It means predictable in a good way. Because when people see the same message, the same values, the same direction, over and over again, their brain actually starts to relax. They're going to stop questioning, and they're actually going to start believing what you have to offer. I've watched many people slowly move from watching content to liking it, to commenting, and then eventually to becoming supporters. That shift didn't happen because of one great post. It happened because the message stayed steady over time. The brand didn't rush themselves, it stayed present. Trust grows when people know what to expect from you. They know what you talk about. They know how you show up. They know what you stand for. When your brand feels steady, people feel safe paying attention. If people don't trust your brand yet, don't try to convince them faster. Stay clear, stay consistent, and then let familiarity do its job. So, if you're building a brand and want people to trust you over time, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episode. All right, friend, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.